Hello, and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you.
In this video, I want to demonstrate what it looks like when you're invited to join someone's QuickBooks Online team. This is different from when a client invites you to join QuickBooks. This is when an accounting user invites another accounting user to join their team. So I have other videos where I show how to invite someone. In this video, I want to demonstrate how to accept the invite. This is an invite that I got from a colleague, Lori Sullivan. Lori is inviting me to join her QuickBooks Online team. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select Accept Your Invite. The reason that I'm recording this is because I got this pop-up that asked me to create a QuickBooks Online accountant profile. Well, I have a profile. I'm connected to 200 or 300 different QuickBooks Online accounts. So what I need to do is I need to link this invitation with my existing profile. In tiny, tiny font up at the top, it says, if you already have an account, go ahead and sign in. And I'm like, QuickBooks, you know I have an account. But I'm going to select sign in. Now it says, oh, cool, you have an account. Well, go ahead and sign in then. So I've entered my email address and I'm going to say accept invitation. It sends me a secret code. So let's go grab our secret code. All right, I've got my secret code. I'm going to click on continue. I have apparently 2 accounts from the T-Sheets merger a handful of years ago. I'm just going to select the one that I log into. Now it's going to send me another secret code because security, while I do laugh about it, I'm glad for all these 2-factor authentications. Okay, it says success. I can now access. I'm not going to. I think this is a great spot to stop the video. If you're an accounting professional and you've been invited to join someone else's team, these are the steps you need to do. If you happen to see that whole sign up, make a new account, all you got to do is look for the sign in. I hope this video has been helpful. If there's anything that you want to see me make a video on, please don't hesitate to leave it in the comments below. I'm happy to work on it. Thank you so much.